Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all good. May Allah bless you. So dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hidden Decoration. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching me all the previous videos. Also thanks to connected with me and supporting me. Dear friends, I'm providing latest unique and most whimsical designs of cotton trellises. Before get you started, don't forget to like and share this video if it is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more updates related to indoor and outdoor decor tips and tricks. Garden trellises are a great way to add vertical interest to your garden and provide support for climbing plants. They come in a various style and designs in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you can find one that perfectly fits your needs. Here are a few ideas to get you started, such as classic lattice trellis, obelisk trellis, arch trellis, living wall trellis. Dear friends, I hope you will ever enjoy these beautiful ideas. Classic lattice trellis is the most common type of trellis and it's great option for a variety of climbing plants. You can find lattice trellises made from wood, metal or vinyl. An obelisk trellis is a tall, pointed trellis that is perfect for climbing vines. They can be used as focal point in your garden or to create a vertical accent. An arch trellis is a great way to create an entrance to your garden or to define a pathway. You can plant climbing roses, clematis, or other flowering vines on each nail trellis to create a beautiful and fragrant display. Living wall trellis is a trellis that's attached to a wall. You can plant a variety of climbing plants or on a living room wall trellis to create a vertical garden. Espalier trellis is a technique that's used to train fruit trees to grow flat against a wall or trellis. This is a great way to save space in your garden and to create a beautiful and productive feature. When choosing a trellis, consider the size and weight of the plants you will be growing on it. You will also want to consider the style of your garden and choose a trellis that complements it. With a little planning, you can use a trellis to create a beautiful and functional addition to your garden. So it's a humble request, please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to garden decoration and home decoration tips and tricks. So I will meet you in my next video. Take care.